My idea behind this project was to explore color theory and the idea of picking a set of like 5 colors and mashing them together using the keyboard and just doing a random generation and seeing like how they look next to different colors and how your eye perceives them to be either darker or lighter. And then if you hit any key that isn't a letter, it resets. And so I think if I had more time, I would, after each time it resets, it would be a set of another 5 colors so you could really then understand color theory. So I chose like the red and then it goes to purple and then navy because I think that the red is really contrasting with the dark blues and then it picks up on the colors in between this color and that color. And so so the two main ones are very contrasting and then the ones in between aren't so much. So it's interesting to see how they compare against when they're high contrast and then when they're also against a lower contrast. And so I thought that was interesting and it could work for any colors that you want to, any high contrasting colors you want to pick. I just like these colors the best out of when I was doing the project. If you explore the keyboard, you'd use keys A, which would be the first one to your left, and then Z is the first one to your right. And so it goes in alphabetical order and it stacks them, the colors, all the way down. And then if you re-hit a key, so let's say I hit key Z again, it goes through the different shades of it. So you could repeatedly hit the keys and it'll change. It'll never be the same, like each time you do it. And then if you hit return or anything that isn't a letter, then it just resets.